Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the best page for UI design. If we go to our web browser and type in 21st.dev, we're going to bring this up. Beautiful page, that's all I can say. So, how do I start? We have everything you might need for UI design, UI development and all that stuff. We have nav bars, interactive 3D, background lights. There's everything you might need. If we go into the sidebar by pressing S, we can literally see there's something of everything. There's announcements, there's borders, there's pricing sections. Everything. There's even AI chats. Like you can have AI voice input on your page or a chat experience on your page. Literally everything. Buttons, badges, avatars, alerts. Amazing page. I totally recommend it. If you need AI, anything AI UI related, this is the page to go. So 21st Dev, best page for UI elements. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and leave a like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.